How to free up storage on your iPhone or Android phone. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to free up storage on any iPhone or Android phone, so if your device is always running out of space. Stick with me till the end. You don't want to miss any steps. Let's start with the basics. First, go through your photos and videos. They usually take up the most space. On both iPhone and Android, you can back them up to the cloud. Use iCloud on iPhone or Google Photos on Android. Once your media is backed up, you can safely delete them from your local storage. Next, uninstall apps you no longer use. On iPhone, go to Settings, then tap on General, and tap iPhone Storage. You'll see a list of apps and how much space they use. Delete anything you haven't used in a while. On Android, go to Settings, Storage, Apps or Applications, and clean up from there. Now let's talk about cache. On Android, you can clear cached data for individual apps like Chrome or Instagram by going to Settings. Then Apps drawer. From there, select any app you like. Select Clear Cache. iPhone doesn't have a built-in cache clear, but you can still delete and reinstall apps like Safari or social media apps to wipe their stored data. Another great trick is offloading unused apps on iPhone. This keeps the app data but removes the app itself. You can find this under App Log. Try to offload unused apps. Also, don't forget to empty your recently deleted photos and videos folder. Just because you deleted them from your gallery doesn't mean they're gone. iPhone keeps them for 30 days unless you clear that manually. Android users, check the trash in your gallery app too. Finally, check for system updates. Sometimes, updates include optimizations that help reduce unnecessary storage usage. So, yeah, by doing these steps, your phone should feel a lot lighter and faster too. And that's how you can free up storage on your iPhone or Android phone. If this helped, make sure to like and follow for more phone hacks and tech tips. Thanks for watching.